A minuet for Mr. Bach's children. We learn about rhythm, walk, and running, where you play the melody line transferring from right hand to left hand. Let's explore the position. How can you find the position? You look at the middle range where you find the middle C, and left hand is just right next to it, as close as possible, right in the middle. Ready, set, go. D from left hand, G, go up to D, tap the G. E from C all the way up to G, back to tap the G. C, go up D, C, B, A, B. From C, go down to F sharp. G, go up E, G, B, A. Back to your D. From G all the way up to D, tap the G. E from C all the way up to G, tap. From C, D go down to B, C go down G, A, B all the way down to F sharp, back to G. When you play with the accompaniment, you play one octave higher, and by saying walk and running while you play, it will help you to get the feel of the rhythm. Slow version. Fast version.